Today, I'm going to be showing you the top privacy ideas for your backyard. Tip number 1, the fireplace wall. This is more than just warmth. This is a tall, sturdy fireplace structure that instantly creates a massive, beautiful barrier. It blocks noise, it blocks views, and becomes the ultimate focal point for your seating area. Think of it as building an outdoor living room with serious style and total seclusion. Choose stone, concrete, or brick. It's privacy that delivers luxury. Next, we have structured seclusion. We're talking about pergolas, cabanas, or gazebos fitted with privacy screens. You can use adjustable slats, decorative metal panels, or lattice walls. They define your space, and if you use vertical screens, they provide immediate targeted blockade right where you need them. Perfect for creating a cozy, room-like feel without total seclusion. And tip number 3, my favorite, the herb garden wall. This is privacy that smells amazing. As basil, rosemary, and mint grow in dense layers, they form a lush, green, fragrant screen that looks incredible and is totally functional. It's organic, beautiful, and delicious. If you want to know the complete process on how to design your backyard, go to the link in the description to get the ultimate landscape design blueprint. You can also watch this video right over here. I know you're going to enjoy it. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video.